Hello and welcome to DJI's Pano mode. What I've done today is I've zoomed in really close as the drone is operating the Pano mode automated photo taking, so we can see how the drone reacts and what is actually happening as it rotates around, taking all 42 down to 3 photos depending on which setting you're on. If you're on the spherical, it takes the most, horizontal takes a lot of them, vertical only takes 3, and 180 takes I think 22. So zoomed in close. For this experiment we're at 5 feet, so that jitter of like a couple feet side to side is actually making an effect on the photo. But it's something like when you're at 500 meters taking this, that jitter will be not very noticeable. Given that you're flying in the air, it's pretty impressive that we're only moving around a couple feet. So hope you enjoy. This is something I haven't seen on the internet before, and usually people can't get this close to it when they're running this operation.